Morning, Sonic. I mean, Classic Sonic. Good morning, Spyro. Mind if I have some hot Kool-Aid? No, Spyro. It's already early to get hot Kool-Aid. But Sonic, I want hot Kool-Aid. I'm thirsty. Well, I don't know what to do, but sorry, it's still too early in the morning. If you want some hot chips, you can get that, but no hot Kool-Aid. But I want hot Kool-Aid now! I'm thirsty! I don't care, Spyro. You're not getting it. Give me some hot Kool-Aid! No, I'm not giving you hot Kool-Aid! Yes, you are! Yes, you are! Yes, you are! Give me hot Kool-Aid! Okay, fine, I'll give you hot Kool-Aid. Dang!